Hi all, Fat Andy here. Right, I went to Iceland and having a look around and I found this sticky shredded chicken Chinese. Now, not sure if it's new or anyone's had it. I haven't had it, so it's new to me. There you go. £4 a bag or 3 for a tenner. So obviously the 3 for a tenner, you don't have to buy 3 bags of that. You can buy 3 of anything under that range and mix and match them. As long as it's say 3 for a tenner and you know, whatever you want to do. So got a couple of other items as well. Yeah, so sticky shredded chicken Chinese. Let's get a closer look at it. Right, here we go then. Iceland sticky chicken Chinese, 100% chicken breast, air fry for frozen in 8 minutes, 400 grams in a bag. This was £4 or, as I say, 3 for a tenner, as you see there. Flip it over. There you go, air fry in 8 minutes. Obviously as a guideline only, depending on your air fry. For best results cooked from frozen, the following, as I just said, are guidelines only. Ensure a product is piping hot, thoroughly cooked, and no pink colour remains before serving. Do it in an oven at 16 minutes. They reckon 8 minutes in air fry. I reckon a little bit longer. So we'll have a look anyway. Just how to cook them, setting temperatures, etc, etc. Right, ingredients: chicken breast fillet at 43%. Then you got Chinese style soy sauce, 28%. The list goes on, as you see. We have soya and wheat as an allergen. Warning that though every effort has been made to remove all bones, some may remain. So made with 100% chicken breast fillet means we only use 100% chicken breast fillet. The other 57% relates to other ingredients such as the coating. 400 grams Chinese sticky shredded chicken, cooked shredded chicken breast fillet in a breaded coating, glazed with Chinese style soy sauce. That is nutritional information if anybody's interested. So it's 400 grams. It's in from Thailand, Thai chicken. Yeah, that's all I can say about it, really. So, right, let's get it open and have a closer look. Right, let's get it open. See what it's like. Right, we're going to have these in some pita pockets and that. And we're going to have some salad and everything like that. You can see it all in there, one gooey, sticky mess. Do smell nice, it's smelly old fry spice, isn't it? Get it out. Might as well do the lot in there. And then we're going to, that is a little bit sticky. But then again, this was a Chinese sticky chicken. It's nice to see it coated on the chicken and not in a little separate pouch as they sometimes do. Yeah, just spread it about. 8 minutes, don't know, 10 to 12 I reckon. I'm going to do this in the air fryer. Probably knock on about a 160, something like that. In the meantime, I'll get the salad done. Right, I'll go wash my hands. Right, they are cooking away in the air fryer. We'll wait for them to cook. I'm just going to do the salad in a minute, but I just want to do a birthday wish for today, Friday, June the 19th. And it is a happy birthday to Paul Barlow, who is 51 today. Happy birthday, Paul. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I hear you're from Barrow in Furness, up in the northwest. I think that's Cumbria, isn't it? If I'm guessing right. So have a brilliant day. You love watching my videos, apparently. I'm glad someone do. Yeah, that is from your fiance partner Tracy. Yeah, just have a wonderful day, mate, won't you? So Paul Barlow, 51 today, from Barrow in Furness. Have a fantastic day from your fiance Tracy. Have a good one. And anyone else who's got a birthday, have a good one. Right, back to the cooking. Right, there they are. About 15 minutes I've done them, 4 and a 160. So yeah, looking nice. Right, let's get them dished up. Right, and there we have it. The Chinese sticky chicken. We've got some lovely golden cherry tomatoes on there and some red cherry tomatoes. some cucumbers, some lettuce, etc. So yeah, let's get stuck into this and see what this is all about. I just put some spring onions on there as well, on mine and Kay's as well, so we'll get trying these. Right, Kay's there. Here we go then. We're going to try these Chinese sticky chicken.
Oh, they're nice, aren't they?
Oh, they are nice.
Yeah.
I've got a lovely, had like a 5-spice Chinesey stuff you'd get with it. They're really nice, they are.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah. Now, I mean, if you want any sauces with it, I mean, I suppose nice bit of teriyaki if you want to put it on. If you want to wet it, it's entirely up to you. I've got some house dressing from Lidl just for the salad. I don't know if Kay want any, do you? Entirely up to you. But just fancied it really at the end of the day. They're really nice. They've got a lovely flavour. They really have. And we'll put these in a couple of Warburton's soft pita breads.
Warburton's,
however you want to pronounce it. Some people say Warburton's, some say Warburton's. Whatever. I don't really care because they're nice. $1.40 for 4 of these. We're from Iceland. You can get them in other supermarkets as well. But I'm going to go in again. That's lovely. That sticky shredded chicken is gorgeous, isn't it? You've got that lovely slight 5-spice. You know what you mean, what you get with Chinese and that. That is really nice. And that's nice to see, as I say, that cooked done on the chicken and not put basically in a bag where you have to pour it over yourself. Got these lovely little golden cherry tomatoes. I've showed them before on here.
I felt that.
That burst, all the juice burst out of the back of her shirt. They're lovely there. They come from Aldi, didn't he? And so did these ones as well. And that salad dressing on there is really nice. If you get a chance, you can get that from Lidl, that one. It's just a house dressing.
You can get
it's got a lovely
Aldi's as well.
Yeah. Get them from anywhere. But the star of the show is a sticky shredded chicken, Chinese style from Iceland. £4 a bag, free for a tenner. 400 grams in a bag. What would I personally give that? I know what I'm going to give it. What are you going to give it, Kay?
8. Right.
9 from me. I think I pulled that finger and I should have something like that. 8 from you, 9 from me. Very, very nice indeed. Definitely have it again. Yeah, get to Iceland and try it if you haven't tried it. There you go. £4 a bag, 3 for a tenner. Fantastic. Right, just a quick meal tonight. Bit of salad. It's really warm outside and muggy, and just decided to something like this. So yeah, happy days. Thumbs up if you like the video. Give us your comments below if you tried it. What did you think of it? Yes, it's Thai chicken. So it's Thai chicken. I don't really care anymore. As long as it tastes nice, that's the best thing.
That's the main thing.
Exactly. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It will help the channel. And we'll hopefully catch you lovely people in the next one.
See ya.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.